So MTV, one of my cribs. This is the 88 box. Come over here. A few cars, man. Not that many, you know what I'm saying? Got the 88 box on 6s. The chrome plate on the front. You know what I'm saying? Let me introduce myself, man. My name is Sylas. This is my man, William. Hooks up everything you see here. He done it. So y'all need any questions? You know what I'm saying? He'll do that for you. My 88 box. He's just now buying stuff for it, you know. You see what we working with. But my man William gonna take care of us though, you know. So we ain't got nothing to worry about. These is 26s as you can see. But it's sitting real low, so it's squatting to the ground. But we'll get them lifted later on. Over here as you can see we on them 28s. Now they 6s. But they 305s though. The big tires. It's the car talk. I talk through the talk though. Got some Lambos on there. Go ahead and look at back. In-dash TV. See how that thing come out? Whoop, 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 whoop. And it's on. TV's in there. Sun visors. Lights in the flows. Custom interior. And then I mentioned all this is done by my man William. So if you guys want to hit me up, hit me up. Look at that back. TV's in the headrest. Custom interior. And the cars are so luxury. We keep menus in the car. What that say?
Man, that's that Joe's Crab Shack, man, straight in the city.
You know, like I said, it's just a few toys, you know, not much out here right now today. Got my pickup truck. You know, I'm a working man. Y'all know what I do. This one we keep no rims on, you know. We just want to get around. We don't want no police, nothing like that. Inside. We got that in-dash TV. So damn dark.
Yeah, I got chrome ones. I like it. Just put it down.
Oh. Got some about the TV. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Don't go there. First one. Up in there. And just go slow. Don't get home.
So what you about to do now, man?
I mean everything. All our cars do a little bit of trick. Got the whole car. The whole car. You know what this is? You got the whole thing here. Man, it was bad, you know. You know, we just, you know. Sometimes I like to ride high, you know. You know? I'll be like, "Sir, how you doing?" That's how we doing on my block, man. Hit me up at 510.
What block is this?
Oh, this is the Acton block, man. You know, it's not the hood, but we do play in the hood. We go to the hood. My man William hit me up at 510-221-1212. If you knew anything done. And it's around. You got anything to say?
This car.
This car.
Well, look what we got over there across the street. No. No.
Let me borrow this car. We can borrow mine.
So we got the Noah across the street. I might go skiing in one of them, you know, a little bit later on, you know what I'm saying, tonight, but, you know what I'm saying?